Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will talk about basic laptop maintenance, no? So before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Laptop basic maintenance. Basic maintenance of your laptop can significantly extend its lifespan and ensure optimal performance. Here are some essential tips for laptop maintenance. Number 1, keep it clean. Regularly clean the exterior of your laptop using a soft, lint-free cloth. Use compressed air to blow out dust from the keyboard, ports, and cooling vents. Do this in a well-ventilated area. Number 2, protect from physical damage. Use a protective case or sleeve when transporting your laptop. Avoid placing heavy objects on top of the laptop. Close the lid gently to prevent stress on the hinges. Number 3, maintain proper ventilation. Ensure that the cooling vents are not blocked by objects or surfaces, as overheating can damage internal components. Use your laptop on a flat, hard surface to allow proper airflow. Number 4, update software. Keep your operating system, drivers, and software up to date to ensure security and performance improvements. Number 5, manage power settings. Adjust power settings to balance performance and battery life based on your needs. Use the appropriate power adapter to avoid overloading or damaging the battery. Number 6, protect against malware. Install and regularly update antivirus and anti-malware software. Be cautious when downloading files or click on links from unknown sources. Number 7, backup data. Regularly back up important files and data to an external hard drive, cloud storage, or another device. Number 8, manage storage. Keep your hard drive or SSD from getting too full to maintain optimal performance. Uninstall unnecessary applications and delete old files. Number 9, use surge protectors. When using your laptop at home, connect it to a surge protector to protect against power surges. Number 10, battery care. If using a lithium-ion battery, try to keep it between 20% and 80% charged to extend its lifespan. Perform a full discharge and redischarge occasionally to recalibrate the battery gauge. Number 11, keyboard and touchpad care. Clean the keyboard regularly using compressed air or a soft brush to remove debris. Be gentle when typing to avoid damaging the keys, especially on thin laptops. Number 12, screen care. Clean the screen with a soft, lint-free cloth. Avoid using harsh chemicals or abrasive materials. Consider using a screen protector to prevent scratches. Number 13, avoid extreme temperatures. Don't expose your laptop to extreme heat or cold, as this can damage internal components. Number 14, regular checkups. If you notice unusual noises, overheating, or sudden performance drops, consider having your laptop checked by a professional. Remember that each laptop model might have specific maintenance recommendations, so it's a good idea to refer to the manufacturer's guidelines as well. By following these maintenance tips, you can ensure that your laptop remains in good condition and continues to perform well over time. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on laptop basic maintenance. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.